Hello, how are you? Welcome once again to this, your channel. I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. With this tutorial, I'm going to show you our princess Cinderella. Also, I'm going to show you the materials that we will need to make her, and the videos you must see to continue with the second part. To make hair body and shoes, we already have a tutorial in this channel. In the description of this video, you can find the links. So let's see the materials that we will need. Very important, this princess is about 29 centimeters. We will need skin colored yarn for her body, approximately 66 grams. 10mm safety eyes. You can see is the same like 1 centimeter. A silicone tube 1 centimeter on diameter. And never less than 12 centimeter long. Sky blue yarn. For her dress and for her underwear. Also for her shoes and for her diadem. White colored yarn for more details. Yellow for her hair. And cinnamon color for details on her eyes. Also navy blue for this detail. .5mm hook for this Sinfonia number 8 yarn. Scissor, wool needle, pins. I hope you like this tutorial because I'm making with a lot of love for you. Until next video, bye bye.